Welcome back to Tech World. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: how to choose miniature circuit breakers for your electrical panel. Whether you're a seasoned electrician, understanding the right MCBs is essential for safety and efficiency. But before we begin, if you find this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tech World and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech guides and tutorials. All right, let's get started. Miniature circuit breakers are widely used in distribution boards for controlling the electrical circuits by turning them on and off as necessary. They serve the critical function of providing both overload protection and short circuit protection. In electrical systems, MCB ratings typically include the following parameters. Rated current. This indicates the maximum continuous current that the MCB can carry without tripping under normal operating conditions. Common ratings range from 1 amp to 125 amp or higher, depending on the application. Breaking capacity. This specifies the maximum fault current that the MCB can safely interrupt without sustaining damage. The breaking capacity is usually rated in kiloohms and can vary based on the manufacturer and model. Higher breaking capacities indicate the ability to handle more severe fault conditions. When selecting an MCB, it's essential to consider both the type and rating to ensure compatibility. For example, to choose the right MCB for 230 volts, 2 kilowatts load, you need to consider several factors to ensure proper protection and compatibility with your electrical circuit. Here's a step-by-step guide. Calculate the current draw. First, determine the current draw of the 2 kilowatt load at 230 volts using the formula current amps equals power/voltage. In this case, the current draw would be current equals 2000 watts / 230 volts equals approximately 8.7 amps. Select the MCB rating. Choose an MCB with a rating slightly higher than the calculated current draw. As per NEC, we need to choose 125% of the load to ensure it can handle the load safely. In this scenario, you might select a 10A MCB to provide adequate protection for the 2 kilowatt load. Consider the type of MCB. Since this is a general household load, a Type B MCB should be sufficient for protecting against overloads and short circuits. Type B MCBs are commonly used in residential and light commercial applications. Check the breaking capacity. Ensure that the selected MCB has a breaking capacity that exceeds the maximum fault current expected in your electrical system. For most residential applications, a breaking capacity of 6 kiloohms or higher should be sufficient. Verify compatibility. Always refer to local electrical codes and standards to ensure compliance with safety regulations and best practices. And that's a wrap for today's video on Tech World. I hope you found our guide on choosing MCB for your electrical panel informative and helpful. Remember, selecting the right MCBs is critical for maintaining electrical safety and preventing overloads. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech World for more tech-related tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe and tech-savvy. Goodbye.